Morning, another day in the Smoky Mountains. Today we're doing 3 new trails for our map. Starting the day on the Metcalf Bottoms trail, heading up the Little Brier Gap, and finishing the day on Little Greenbrier Trail. Had a nice couple give us a hitch down from the Little Greenbrier Trail, so save us some down and backs. Should be a fun day. Let's go. Little Greenbrier School, built in 1882. Walker's sister's cabin, the 10th of a mile from here, is closed for rehabilitation, so we can't go inside, but I figure it's only a 10th of a mile off trail, so might as well go check it out, maybe have a snack and get back on trail. Coming up on the Walker sister's cabin. Like I said before, it's under repair right now. I believe roof leaks primarily, so. And the sisters that lived here, I believe lived here until around 1964. From my understanding, were the last residents living inside the Smoky Mountain border when the park system bought up all the land. Pretty cool. Trailhead marker time. We're going to be going up Little Greenbrier Trail up to hook up with Laurel Falls Trail, and we're going to come back down and take Little Greenbrier Trail back down to Cove Gap, back to the truck. Just finished up Little Brier Gap, and Metcalf Bottoms for our map came up from that way there. Got a little bit of a climb here up to Laurel Falls Trail, but let's get it started. Absolutely beautiful view up here on Little Greenbrier Trail. Got a great view into Townsend here through the trees. All right, finished up that section of Little Greenbrier. I'm gonna stop here and have lunch. Then we got 4.3 miles back down to the truck. All right, so we made it the 4.8 miles round trip on Little Greenbrier Trail up to Laurel Falls Trail here behind us. All we have left is the 1.9 mile section to Metcalf Gap here behind us. Alright folks, so that's a wrap. We started our day down at the Metcalf Bottoms. We took a little Brier Gap up with a side trip to the Walker Sister Cabin. We met up with Little Greenbrier Trail, which we took all the way up and intersected with the Laurel Falls Trail. Took it back down here to the truck at Great Gap, and ended up with a solid 9-mile day, plus or minus a few tenths of a mile, and checked off 3 brand new trails for our 900-mile map. Overall, good, successful day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.